All right, so let's talk about requirement 2 here, where we're going to create an income statement out of the information that we just processed up above. So we know we're looking at an income statement. The income statement ultimately is going to show us our net income or our net loss. And the way that we calculate that is to take all of our revenues minus all of our expenses. That gives us our net income. So we know that the only accounts that we actually need on this are going to be our revenues and our expenses. So first thing we're going to do is we're going to scroll back up. We're going to pick out all of our revenues that we had. Okay. The first one that we have is going to be interest revenue for $270. So we can go ahead and put that in right here. Okay. And then we had service revenue right here for $165,500. Okay. What that's going to give us is total revenues of $165,770. Okay. Then we're going to move on to expenses. What is the first expense that we have? Well, we have rent expense. Okay. So we'll include that. And it was in the amount of, let's see, $18,000. We get that from its ending balance right there, right? So 18,000. Okay. And then the next expense that we have is going to be our utilities expense for $4,400. Okay. Our third one is going to be salaries expense for $50,000. And then finally, we've got supplies expense for $2,400. Okay. That gives us a total expense of, calculate these really quickly, 18,000 plus 4,400 plus 50,000 plus 2,400, $74,800, which means we are going to have a net income, or that's just your rev minus your expense, of $90,970. Okay, so that is your income statement for requirement 2. Some of you, I think, may be complicating this, overcomplicating it. Really, it is just, what are our revenues? What are our expenses? Do we have net income or a net loss? Okay, so if you have any questions, please feel free to contact me. The next video, we will go through preparing financial statements from account balances. You can look in your book at lesson 4.5, and it will walk you through this as well. Okay.